Good morning, everybody. I have my favorite shopping buddy with me today. She's just not feeling the greatest and she wants to be with Mom all day long, so that is okay. She's like, Mom, can I please sit in the cart? And I'm like, I guess so. You want to go shopping? Yeah, she loves shopping. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna share with you guys some deals. If you guys are also here for watching my CVS videos, I'm not doing CVS today. There's only like a couple deals and it's not worth me driving over there, especially since I've been up since 3 this morning. So we are gonna skip CVS today, which is okay. But let's go inside, have some fun. There's some IBOTTA deals that I want to share with you guys and a couple other things. I have a IBOTTA bonus ride. Can't remember how much. I think I need like 12 or 13 more to get $10, which I'm not going to hit it at Walgreens, but I'm closer to hitting it. So let's go inside and have some fun shopping. So here we have a deal on the Irish Springs and soft soap. So here we have the Irish Spring and soft soap body wash. This is not a great deal. I've noticed that these deals have not been very good lately, but they're currently on sale for $5. We have a $1 off digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up just paying $14 for 3 of them, but then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3, making them $9 or $3 each. So not a great deal, but still wanted to share with you on that. So here we have the Dove body wash for $7 on sale. You want to buy 2 of them. We currently have a $3 off digital coupon that you can use. You'll pay $11 for 2 of them, but then you get a $4 register reward, making it just $7 or $3.50. Now there was a deal on the Fetch Rewards app, I swear, but it somehow disappeared. It still might be available for you guys, but just wanted to share with you on that. So here we have the soft soap hand soap for either $2.99 or we have it for $2.49. It is currently buy one get one 50% off. So we're gonna do the 4 for $2.49. You're gonna buy 4 of them. There's currently a coupon for a digital coupon. It's one or the other, depending on however you guys want to do this deal. But there is a 75-cent off digital coupon that you're gonna use. You'll end up paying $6.75 for the 4 of them, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 4 of them, making it just $2.72 or 68 cents each. Otherwise, you can do the $2.99. Welcome to Walgreens. You would use that 75-cent off digital coupon. You would pay $8.22, but then you get a $4 register reward, making them $4.22 or just $1.05 each. So definitely check out your Sally Hansen nail polish. So I have some that are on clearance for $4.99. They show the, what is today's date? This is the wrong sale. Okay, the sale is not correct. But anyways, these are $4.99 on clearance, but we currently have a $3 off IBOTTA rebate that you guys can use. So you'll get these for just $1.99. So if you need some items for like a little Christmas gift, that's a great deal if you want to go ahead and do that. So here's an awesome deal for the Garnier Fructis. These are 2 for $8. You're gonna pay, you're gonna end up using a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up paying just $5. Sorry, it's not going in focus, but you'll end up getting a $4 register reward, making these just $1 or 50 cents each. This is a deal of the week, so make sure you are using separate transactions, but there's an even better deal that you guys can do also. So in another transaction, you can get the whole blends also 2 for $8. Use a $3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $5, but then you get that $4 register reward, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. If you guys need some of this GH Creators mixed caramel and cheese popcorn, these are 2 for $6. You would pay $6 for it, but we currently have a $1.50 with a limited 2, so you'll get $3 back with IBOTTA, making these just $3 or $1.50 each. Otherwise, we do have the smaller bag up by the registers for $1.99. You'll pay $1.99, but then you get that $1.50 back with that. So this comes out to be just 49 cents. So here we have the women's degree stick deodorant for $6.29 along with the men's for $6.29. They are currently buy one get one 50% off, but we currently have a $2 off digital coupon that you can use for it. So you will end up paying just $7.43. But then there's an IBOTTA deal where you get $1.50 back for the men's, and you also get $1.50 back for the women's. So you'll get $3 back with the deodorant, making your final price just $4.43 or $2.21 each. So the Purex laundry detergent is on sale for $3.49. We have the pods, and then we also have the liquids, and then we also have the Purex crystals. Now there is a $1 coupon, a $1 digital coupon for the Purex crystals, so you would end up getting this for $2.49. There is no digital for the laundry detergent, and there's no digital for the pods, but we do have a $1 rebate for IBOTTA where you'll get $1 back with that. So this would be $2.49. So either get the pods or the Purex crystals for $2.49. So another awesome deal that you guys can get this week is the Arm & Hammer. So we have the Arm & Hammer Clean Sensation Instant Boosters for $1.99, and we also have the liquid for $1.99. And if you guys have noticed, the bottles are getting even smaller. These are smaller than they've ever been. That's crazy. And then we also have the pods for $1.99. So great price if you guys need some pods. So here we have the little bottles of Palmolive on sale this week for $1.25, but we currently have a 75% off digital coupon that you can use. You'll just get this for 50 cents, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the Colgate Optic toothpaste for $3.99. We currently have a $2 off digital coupon, and then I also have a $1 off digital coupon. You would end up just paying $4.98, but when you buy the two of them, you get a $4 register reward, making both of them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. So here we have the Skippy Peanut Butter, 2 for $5. We currently have a $1 off digital coupon for one of them, so you would end up paying just $4 for two of them. But then there is an IBOTTA rebate where you'll get 25 cents back with a limit of 5, so you'll get 50 cents back. Then it shows if you buy the jar, okay, but you get 50 cents back with buying the two of them. That comes out to be $3.50 or just $1.75 each, which is a pretty good deal, especially if you need some peanut butter for the holiday season. So if you have some hankering or you're hungry for some cereal, we have the Quaker Life cereal for $2.79 along with the Captain Crunch for $2.79. There's IBOTTA deals for these where here you get 50 cents back for the Captain Crunch, and then with the Life cereal, which I have to scan the product, but you also get 57 cents, making that just $2.29. Otherwise, without any IBOTTA rebates, we have the Fruity Pebbles and the Honey Bunches of Oats also on sale for $2.79, but there's no rebates for those. Hello everybody. So there is a lot of great deals at Walgreens today, but today I just wasn't feeling like getting a lot of deals. So I hope you guys can definitely use some of that stuff. Every time I scanned an item, the coupon would not pop up. So I don't know if some of those coupons were gonna attach or not, so I didn't want to chance it. But when I did go to the register, everything rung out just fine. Another thing also is I bought one of shampoo and one conditioner, and the digital coupons worked on that. So there is that. So you don't have to get the same scent or flavor anymore. But there's a couple deals that I wanted to do, and then I'm just like, I already have enough of them. And so it's okay that you don't have to do every single deal. Like, I like it that I can show as many people as I can deals that I'm personally not going to get, but you guys might need to get that. So I just wanted to share with you on that. My store had no more Halloween. I don't know if it ever went to 90% off or they just sold it or they got rid of it. I don't know. But my store is 100% packed of Christmas stuff. So I'm going to try to keep out some deals for that. I know with their Black Friday sales, it hasn't been like the greatest the last couple years, but we'll see what happens. But other than that, I am excited to see if their toys go on sale. Especially, I know they've had them in the past, buy two, get two free, but they stop doing that. I think it's gonna be buy one or buy two get one free, but hey, we will see what happens. But let me share with you guys what I got. So I had a very little haul today, just a super little haul. Number one, I am kind of stopped buying insert coupons. Like, I really want to, but then I'm like, I don't use a lot of them. And like, there might be some deals going on today with some insert coupons, which is awesome, but a lot of you guys are stopping buying insert coupons. A lot of you guys are mostly relying on digitals. Like, why not use the digitals that we get all the time? So I'm kind of seeing if I like it. Like, I feel bad because I can't do every deal that I want to do, but we will see how it goes. But like I said, I try to share with you guys as many deals as possible. So I ended up doing the whole blends deal. These were 2 for $8. Now these are a deal of the week, so you have to do these in separate transactions, but these are 2 for $8. You want to use that 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $5 for it, but then you get a $5 register reward, if I can get it to grab it, or not a 5, you get a $4 register reward, making these just $1 or 50 cents each, along with the same deal for the Palmolive. Or not the Palmolive, you guys, I'm just not here today. It's called lack of sleep. But you can also do it with the Garnier Fructis. So the Garnier Fructis and the whole blends is the same deal. They got 2 different separate digital coupons, but that is a great deal for 50 cents. I ended up getting some peanut butter because I needed some peanut butter. Because I'm going to be making puppy chow possibly later today, and I know it needs a lot of peanut butter. And these don't expire till next year, so November 2023. So this is perfect for what I need, because my stockpile of peanut butter that I had earlier this year is slowly dwindling down. But these were 2 for $5. There is a $1 off digital coupon. You would pay $4 for the both of these, but then there is a 25-cent rebate with IBOTTA, so you get 25 cents and 25 cents back, making these just $3.50 or just $1.75 each. So I ended up getting those because, yeah. I did get 2 Kinder eggs of the Halloween ones. There was a sign there that said they were like $1. There's just a couple of them there, so I ended up getting these because I thought my daughter's kind of sick. She's sitting chilling right there, and I'd get one for my son. So for like $1 for, you know, Kinder eggs, I'd get these for him. And then I also got the little bottle of the Palmolive dish soap because I couldn't pass this up. But these were $1.25. There is a 75-cent digital coupon. You just get these for 75 cents. So that is a great deal. And that is everything that I got, you guys. Number one, my Crest Oral-B coupons, like when I scan stuff, I don't know what's going on with that. I haven't seen very many digitals going on with that, so I didn't really get any Crest Oral-B. The Arm & Hammer, I was going to do it, but then those bottles are super tiny. Like, they have gotten so tiny, it's ridiculous. Yes, my daughter's sick. And then I wanted to get some cereal, but like I have so much cereal that my son needs to eat that stuff up before I buy him some more things. And I felt like the Irish Spring and the soft soap, we used to get that stuff super cheap all the time. Not as cheap as what it used to be. And I have enough hand soap as it is. So that's everything that I got. So it wasn't very much, but my total came to $12.83. I ended up getting 12 cents worth of points back. I got $8 back and a register reward. I got 50 cents back with IBOTTA. So my grand total came to $4.21. I got 9 items at 46 cents each. So pretty decent deal for that, and I just wanted to share with you guys if you guys needed any of that stuff, but hopefully you guys can get better deals than I did. I'm just kind of but hopefully next week is an awesome deal. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week for another Walgreens haul. See you guys later, and don't forget subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Help me reach a goal of I have no idea what I want. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.